Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert an SD card into your ASUS ROG Ally. It can be inserted at the top here, and to do it just take your micro SD card and put it this orientation until it clicks, and when it clicks it's inserted. And you can click on OK if you want to set it as the default storage for saved media. I'm gonna click on cancel. And when you go to settings, then go to general and storage, you can see your micro SD here, and you can change the media save location. And you can also click on move all media to either local storage or external micro SD card. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.